So former Jamaica and West Indies fast bowler turned international cricket commentator Michael Holding was voted best pundit for the year 2020 by the Sports Journalists Association in England. But even in congratulating Mikey, we have a problem with this particular award. Now, Michael Holding has been a brilliant international cricket analyst for decades and has never won this award. And now we are being told that Holding got this top pundit award not for his actual punditry, but for his powerful testimony about racial injustice during the West Indies Bubble Test series in England. You know, see, I rate them, no rate Mikey. And this time, this Mikey, this is a top pundit award, but was not awarded for punditry, but was instead given as a condescending appeasement award because Holding cried about racial injustice on national television. Them no rate Mikey Holding. If he never make that Black Lives Matter speech, he would have never get that award. That means Mikey never got the award for punditry. This is a sorry for award. Give the man a special mention for his social commentary, yes. But if you really rate Michael Holding as the pundit, give him the award for his punditry. Style him a style, Mikey. Me wrong or me right? Me wrong or me right? The Maverick always right.